Hi there, Chris Gans with JHB Group. I'm in front of a brand new fire safety simulator that's going to be heading to Fernandina Beach Fire Department and in partnership with Nassau County Fire Rescue. This is a new 27-foot fire safety simulator that features a kitchen, bedroom, and our immersive barbecue grill with outside utilities. So let's go take a look. So this fire safety simulator is going to be shared by two departments down in Florida. The branding is a big deal. So what we've done here is we have their awesome looking logos, big and bright back here. We also have some fire safety information on the side. And we do custom graphics here because we want to bring the trailer to life, not only on the inside, but on the outside, because it is a mobile billboard for fire prevention education. So this has been JHB Group's Fire Safety Simulator that's heading down to Florida. So decor is a big part of what we do to make these units personalized to that community. So for Florida, you got oranges all over the place. Aren't you glad you bought a fire safety simulator from JHB Group?